B for
ball,
C for
cat,
D for
duck,
E for
apple,
F for
cat,
G for
duck,
H for
hunt,
I for
chicken,
J for
duck,
K for
kite,
L for
kite,
M for
duck,
N for
net,
O for
daddy,
हाँ ये बताओ O for
knowledge,
P for
palette,
Q for
twin,
R for
level,
S for
and
ship
tip,
T for
cycle,
U for
umbrella,
V for
bell,
W for
boat,
X for
H,
Xmas-tree
F, H,
Y for
yuck,
Z for